Hey there friends, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. I've been doing this for about 9 years now, and lately I've just been focusing on unboxing / product reviews. So that's pretty much all I'll be putting out from now on. Whether it's the latest AI, robot technology, to tech, to health, clothing, shoes, pet supplies, pretty much everything in between. I try to keep my content always family friendly so you don't have to worry about if your kids are watching or not. And also I give my honest opinion on what I'm reviewing. That way you guys can kind of make an educated decision whether you like it or if you just want to watch for entertainment purposes. Thank you guys so much for all the support. At 700, or we're almost at 700,000 subscribers now, and it's been quite a journey. I just want to give a big shout out to everyone that's subscribed, and hopefully we'll get 1 million soon. That would be super exciting. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you out there.